Today I am going to solve the sums of exercise 3.2. Question number 1. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. Question number 1. 10 students of class 10 took part in the mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. So, see its solution. Let the number of girls be x and the number of boys be y. According to question, we can write x plus y equal to 10, name it equation number 1, and x minus y equal to 4, name it equation number 2. Now students, from equation number 1, we get x equal to 10 minus y. Now see the solution table for x equal to 10 minus y. Here if you take the value of y equal to 5, then you will get the value of x equal to 5. If you take the value of y equal to 6, then you will get the value of x equal to 4. If you take the value of y equal to 4, then you will get the value of x equal to 6. Now from equation 2 we get x equal to 4 plus y. Now the solution table for x equal to 4 plus y, if you take the value of y equal to 1, then you will get the value of x 5. If you take the value of y equal to 0, then you will get the value of x equal to 4. If you take the value of y equal to minus 1, then you will get the value of x equal to 3. Hence, the graphic representation is as follows. Now, first draw the Cartesian plane. Now, if you plot the points from the first table, x equal to 5, then y equal to 5, x equal to 5, then y equal to 5, this point, x equal to 4, y equal to 6, x equal to 4, y equal to 6, x equal to 6, then y equal to 4, x equal to 6, then y equal to 4. Now join these three lines, first point, second point and third point. Join these 3 points using ruler and draw a straight line. Okay. Now plot the points from the second table. X equal to 5, then y equal to 1, this point, this one. X equal to 4, then y equal to 0. X equal to 4, then y equal to 0, this point. Okay. X equal to 3, then y equal to minus 1. X equal to 3, then y equal to minus 1, this point. Now join these 3 points, 1, 2, 3, these 3 points using the ruler and draw a straight line. Now students, you can see from the graph that these 2 straight lines intersect each other at this point, and this point is 7,3. Okay. Now we can find the solution of these two equations, that the value of x is 7 and the value of y is 3. Okay students, from the graph it can be observed that these lines intersect each other at point 7, 3. Therefore, the number of girls and boys in the class are 7 and 3 respectively. Students, in this way you can solve the rest of the sums yourself. For today, that's all. Thank you.